Okay, here's a quick video on how to remove the steering wheel on a 57 or 58 Plymouth. You get to your steering wheel, you turn this cap to the left, and it pops out. Next, you have 3 Phillips head. 1, 2, 3. 3 Phillips head screws. You remove those. 1, 2, and 3. And then this piece, let me zoom out. This horn piece that you press, that will come off. Next, you will get a wrench of some sort and take that nut off. After that, you get a wheel puller. I believe you can, so you take that nut off, right? And then you can take this piece right here. That's the one that activates your horn. You take that piece out. Then you can put your wheel puller on. And I think you can screw it onto these areas using the wheel puller screws, not these. And right here in the center, that's where the main piece goes. That you screw, and then the steering wheel will pop out. But on a, so this goes for a 57 and 58 Plymouth. The 56 Plymouth, if I'm correct, you can get a butter knife or a trim puller that's plastic, and then you can pop the center cap off on a 55 Plymouth. You put a butter knife and you can pry the center cap off, and after you do, you will find the same thing. 3 Phillips screws to remove. You take this chrome piece off, and then you take that nut off, remove this so you won't break it, and then put your wheel puller and pull that out. Pull your steering wheel out. Hope this video was helpful for 57, 58, and 56, maybe 55 Plymouth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment below. Let me know if I was correct about 55 and 56 Plymouth. Thank you.